Even more shockingly, the United Kingdom is bracing for a 6-month lockdown. All non-essential services have been closed for a week now. Authorities say normalcy is unlikely to return anytime soon. Over 20,000 Britons have tested positive for the coronavirus. Experts fear the worst is yet to come. Here's a report.
The world's 6th largest economy, with a GDP of $2.83 trillion, home to 6.7 crore people, and the 18th best healthcare system, the United Kingdom is struggling to control the coronavirus outbreak. More than 20,000 people have tested positive, and more than 1,200 others have lost their lives. Life has been upended, and normalcy may not return for the next 6 months.
So I think 3 weeks for review, 2 or 3 months to see whether we've really squashed it, but about 3 to 6 months ideally, and lots of uncertainty in that, but then to see at which point we can actually get back to normal. And it is plausible that it could go further than that. We just need to wait to see how successful we've been.
The British government says all parts of the UK are on emergency footing. The country has been under a lockdown since the 23rd of March. Schools were closed 3 days before that. Citizens can only leave their homes for essential foods, medicines or exercise. There are travel restrictions. The roads are empty and flights grounded.
It is a very emotional flight for all us crew who volunteered today, not only just to get you home, but because we really do enjoy our jobs and working for EasyJet. Today, for all of us, is the last time for a while that we'll be wearing our uniforms.
Central London is nearly empty. An Olympic 2012 venue in the city has been turned into a makeshift hospital. In Manchester, the Etihad Stadium is being used by the NHS, or the National Health Services. The plan is to convert this stadium into a 2,000-bed hospital. The stadium's executive boxes are being used for training doctors and nurses. The Wuhan virus has hit the United Kingdom in more ways than one. First, it has hit the country's economy. UK's economy output is likely to fall by 15%. Thousands of businesses could be pushed to a permanent lockdown. The hardest hit would be pubs, shops and restaurants. The virus has also hit the United Kingdom's politics. Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive. His key advisor, Dominic Cummings, is in self-isolation. So is Health Secretary Matt Hancock and the country's Chief Medical Officer, Professor Chris Whitty. In short, the coronavirus has left Britain's key departments headless or running via video links. The pandemic has also taken a toll on the spirit of the country. Prince Charles, the Prince of Wales, and first in line to the British throne, has tested positive. It will be fair to say that life in Britain has come to a standstill, and it could get worse.
It's not an easy position to stand on a platform and say we expect a large number of people to die, but we have a pandemic on our hands, and it is an unprecedented event for this generation in this country. I think it is because of where we are on the curve, all the above, as I've said previously, applies. We are expecting that number will increase for the next week or two.
British authorities say that they will do well if the death toll is capped at 20,000. The future is uncertain. The present message, however, loud and clear: stay at home and stay safe. Bureau Report, WION World is One.